Today I'll be demonstrating how you begin to create your presentation on your Renaissance artist for this unit. To start with, you'll have to choose an artist and title your presentation the artist name. Then I would like you to add your name and as well as your class title, which this is 11th grade advanced art. The next slide you'd create would be the artist bio. So you would put the artist name, for example, Raphael, and his bio. You would put birth information, his life work information, and any other artists he would have learned from. And then on the next few slides, you'll have to have at least 3 images of Raphael's art. You will need the title of the work, as well as the date and the location of where it was created or where it's placed. And then you'll have to upload an image from Google. If you don't know how to find images off of Google, you can search your artist and find artist information like on Wiki, or you can search his artwork and go to images and then you can save it this way. And it'll show down here once it's downloaded. And that is how you will set up your presentation.